In our society, we commonly see two types of hair, a sleek straight hair and a frizzy straight hair. One with the sleek straight hair are happy with their hair, and the frizzy straight hair people, they want it to be sleek. And what they do is just go to a salon, go to a beauty parlor, get a chemical treatment, straightening, smoothing, keratin, and the newest one, cysteine treatment. And then chemical damage. Yeah, it gives a sleek look, but from inside, hair is not healthy. Your hair start to feel brittle, dry, and it break. And in about 3 months' time, the roots grow out. And obviously they will be frizzy. And the chemical cycle continues. And to be honest, frizzy is not even a hair type. All these hair types experience frizz at some point or the other because of the weather changes, water changes, etc. But the main cause of frizz is mishandling the hair. And mostly it happens with wavies, curlies, and oily hair people who treat their hair as straight hair. This happens just because we are not ready to accept we have curly hair. We want it to be straight, sleek, right? But I'll ask you to embrace your natural hair once. Take care of them the way they have to be cared. And to be honest, frizzy is not even a hair type. My name is Arunima and I'm here to share with you a basic, simple curly hair routine. Before we go to the routine, I need to tell you there are three products that are essential for this routine: shampoo, conditioner, and a gel. The products I have used in the videos are all budget friendly, and I'll be suggesting more budget friendly option at the end of the video. So yeah, let's begin. The basic or a primary step in any hair care routine is cleansing. Step number 1: cleansing or cleaning. For cleansing, thoroughly massage a curl-friendly shampoo on the scalp and use very little shampoo for the length. Along with the dirt and product buildup, a shampoo is going to strip away all the natural oils in your hair, and that is going to make the hair feel more drier, even though the shampoo is a mild one. So to counteract that, we have to use a conditioning agent, and that is the job of conditioner. So step number 2: conditioner. A conditioner is used only on the lens and never on the scalp. After applying a conditioner, wait for 2 minutes for the product to activate. After 2 minutes, start detangling the hair from the tips and work your way up. Curly hair should be detangled while wet with the conditioner on. Dry detangling is the main cause of frizz and hair breakage. Conditioner is something that has to be rinsed out or washed off. But curly hair being dry in its natural state, we need more moisture to the hair. And for that, we have to leave in some amount of conditioner in the hair. And that is step number 3, a leave-in. You can see how my hair is looking hydrated and forming clumps after raking in a leave-in. It is perfectly okay to use a conditioner that you use for conditioning, detangling and all as a leave-in also. Here in the video I have used the same conditioner that I used for conditioning and detangling as a leave-in also. Creating clumps and hydrating the hair is not just enough. You have to also retain the moisture inside the strands, also maintain the curl shape. And this job is done by using a gel. The step number 4, gel. Here I have emulsified the gel and is crunching it up for even distribution and curl enhancement. Once the hair is completely dry, the gel is going to create a cast, making your hair feel hard. And what we have to do is break the cast and reveal the curls, which will be softer inside. And to break the cast, what you have to clap like this, or rope your hair, or scrunch it up. This is going to break the cast completely, but keep the hair moisturized and retain the shape. And that's it. That was a very simple curly hair routine anybody can follow. See you next week with another video. Till then, bye. And for more such video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.